In today's video, we have to see how to set a home position of our Strapack SQ-800 machine. Initially, we have to see what is the home position of Strapack SQ-800 machine and what are the situation happen in a machine when home position of machine is disturbed. Now initially we have to see what is the situation when home position of machine is disturbed. First of all we will run the cycle. Let's open emergency switch. Then power lamp is flashes continuously. We have to press it and then we have to start the cycle of machine. Now you can see the strap is not come in a arch unit, and after the cycle the machine is stopped. Due to that we have to adjust our home position of machine, and this is the situation of our Strapack machine when home position of Strapack is disturbed. Now we have to see how to set a home position of Strapack machine. First step of home position setting is that now you are able to see the black color plate of machine. This is the black color plate. On this plate there is one hole at conical tip of this plate. That hole point should be at the center of that bearing point, which is located in front of that black plate. How to set that hole point center to that bearing? For that you have to adjust the rotation of that black color plate by moving the knob of M1 motor. Let's see how to do it. Now we start rotate M1 motor knob, then you can see the black color plate is rotated. Now you can see the black color plate is rotated. Now we have to center that black plate hole to the bearing which is located in front of that black color plate. Now you can see that black plate hole is matched to the center of one of the bearing which is located in front of that black plate. Now the second step of home position setting is that you have to rotate this link plate till its big hole is centered with this sensor. With the help of spanner you can rotate this link plate. You can see normally you have to move, and this is the big hole should be centered with that sensor. Now you can able to see the big hole is centered with this sensor, and then fix it. Now the both step we complete, then we have to see the position of this arrow when we start the cycle, because the standard of home position told that the arrow should be upward and or within 25 degree to the standard. When we run the cycle, then we can see the position of this arrow is more than 45 degrees or upward arrow. Then we have to adjust the position of this link plate according to the black plate of that machine. First of all, we have to again lose the arrow is greater than 45 degrees Celsius. Due to that, now when we run the cycle, then you can see the position of this arrow is upward. You can see position is upward. According to the standard, this arrow should be upward or within 45 degree. Due to that, our home position should be run properly and then operation of our machine runs smoothly. Now we can take trial when the home position is set. When we complete 2 steps of home position setting, then our machine home position is set properly according to the standard. What is the standard of home position in Strapack SQ-800? The standard said that the black plate hole should be centered with the bearing, and second is that the link plate hole, which is bigger hole, is centered with the sensor position. And when these two position is fulfilled, then your arrow is upward or within 45 degree. This is the standard. Then we have to take trial when home position is set. Now we are taking one trial. You can see now our machine is run smoothly. When there is an issue with home position, the cycle is not complete the arch. Due to that, the strapping is disturbed and our machine operation is disturbed. Due to that, whenever your machine does not complete the arch or having issue to complete a cycle, more than one cycle, then you have to check the home position of your machine, and then you have to adjust your home position, and then your machine can run smoothly and we can start properly. Now go with our step and solve the issue with home position. Thank you so much for watching video.